Sup, it's Sydney, and also
Stevie, Chloe,
Olivia,
Cassie.
Where's my booty?
I know. Today we are going to try to film the ugly location photo shoot challenge.
So basically we're gonna go to ugly locations like department stores.
And each of us is gonna be assigned another friend to take pictures of.
So a lot of people do this where they only have one model and then a lot of different photographers, but we thought it would make more sense if we were each assigned another person and we like tell them what to do, and then we're the ones taking the picture and that's what we're judged on later. I was editing this, as one does, and we have so much footage that I think is funny and I was including, but then I realized no one cares. I made a separate bloopers video that I will have linked in the description. You're still cool if you don't watch it, just significantly less cool. If this is the worst thing you've ever seen, I'm sorry.
For Olivia, I'm having her sit in the cinder blocks because they're like in a shadow and it's kind of edgy, and I think that matches her look.
Okay, so I'm gonna take pictures of Chloe here in front of these bars because I think it looks cool.
So I'm gonna film Sid in front of this door because I like how the blinds look, and I like that her outfit is like black and white and she's standing in front of something that's all white.
I'm gonna take a picture of Cassie right here because I feel like if I get close enough, it'll make like a wall of green. I feel like it's gonna look thick. Okay, so basically I'm gonna take a picture of Stevie in front of this like brick wall thing. Her light colored shirt and the dark colored background contrast really well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I took pictures of Cassie by like the juice, and I kind of got like more of the aisle in.
So I filmed mine by the curtains, but we forgot to film it.
So for our second location, I have Stevie, and I have her just like in a cart in a book aisle.
And she likes books.
And Olivia also likes to read. She likes books. As we said earlier.
Yeah, I like books.
She likes books.
She likes books.
So that's what I'm doing.
I just picked right over here because I thought that it would be really bright. Olivia's a good model, so it's not really that hard to do. Yeah, you're welcome. So basically I'm just taking pictures of her in front of this little section right here because it kind of looks like a little kitchen. Like I tried a bunch of things, like I tried to take pictures in front of this pillow right here. Wasn't feeling it. Tried another chair over there, wasn't feeling it, but so somehow we landed over here. We're just gonna go with it. We're done! That's a wrap! So we recruited Matthew to judge our pictures, so we'd have like a third party. So we're gonna show each of them to you and then kind of like explain the vibe we were going for, if you get what I'm saying.
So the first location we went to was Lowe's, and Chloe took some pictures.
We made the models like random as to like who had who, and Chloe got Olivia, so just twin things.
The picture that I chose for Olivia, she's sitting on cinder blocks at Lowe's, and I made her put sunglasses on, and she just looks like very serious, and I don't know, I just liked it. And I put an effect on it to kind of make it look like darker. When I was taking these pictures of Olivia, like, there were all these people that started walking by, and I was just like, whatever, it's fine. And then some worker came up to us and was like, oh, do you guys need help with anything? And we were like, oh no, we're just taking pictures. And he goes, okay, don't let the manager see. And then he just walks away. And we were like, what?
We were all like,
are we gonna get kicked out?
I rated it 10 out of 10, but I don't have anything to compare
I feel
it
like
to.
that looks like really good. So good.
Yeah. This one's my favorite out of everyone.
Like, okay, so this picture I took outside in the garden section of Lowe's, and I think these are just
pipes.
I just look like a boy. It's just really
Oh my god, no you don't. Out of 10.
8.
Alright, shoot.
Such anger. Oh.
So this is a picture I took in Lowe's, and it's of Sydney by a door, because I thought that the doors looked really interesting with the blinds behind them, and they were all white, and she was wearing black and white, so I thought that looked cool. And she kind of just looks mad in it.
I vetoed so many of them. I'm angsty.
Yeah. She's angsty.
I give it a 7 out of 10 because I like the composition, but Sydney's face looks weird.
Okay, that's not my fault.
This is mine of Cassie. We took it outside in the garden section. I was holding a fern in front of the camera, so it's kind of blurry, but then the focus is on Cassie, you know?
I like that all the leaves are kind of like coming in like towards her head.
Oh my gosh,
yeah,
it looks like
circle.
Can I give two the same score?
Yeah.
Okay, because I want to give it a 10.
Ooh. Yeah.
I'm still winning.
So this is the picture that I took of Stevie at Lowe's, and basically like there's just this random brick wall kind of thing, and then I put another wooden
It was like a
sheet
sheet,
kind
yeah.
of thing underneath her to sit on because the floor was kind of ugly.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
Ooh. Matthew's getting harsh out here.
Yeah. So the next place we went was Target because Michael's didn't really work out.
It was really hard to choose which one I wanted for this one, but I ended up choosing this one. Like, how can you make a picture in sitting next to Juice look good? But like she did.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
So like,
Oh my god, I'm 20 for 20. Average is 20 out of 20. So this is my Target picture, and I took it in the curtain section. I had Sydney stand in between some curtains and took this picture.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Ooh.
Because it's a really good picture, but I think the location for the other one is a little bit better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
That's
fair
fair.
enough.
So this is the picture I took of Stevie in Target, and I put her in a shopping cart.
Yeah, she
and
picked up herself and put her in.
Yeah. I was like, come on! And I kind of put like an orange tint on the picture because I thought it looked good with like the cart.
I like how you can kind of tell she's in the cart, but it's not like
really.
a big focus.
Right,
like she's
yeah.
not just sitting in the
I
cart.
agree.
You know, I don't know if I'm just not harsh or anything, but I give it another 10 out of 10.
This one's so good.
Whoa, what is this aisle?
I know. I had Olivia for the Target location, and I just picked like this random aisle near the makeup section because the lighting was better. I just told Olivia, I was just like, move your legs and like make them look cool, and then she like did that.
I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Hello, darkness, my old
My only complaint is that the way that you made the lighting look, her feet look like they're non-existent.
This picture I took of Chloe was in front of like some
Home decor.
I tried like a few different locations in Target.
Literally
my face-
12 different locations.
That's because my face looks like a potato.
Okay, your face doesn't look like a potato because this is a 10 out of 10.
What did you get on the first one? So comment down below who you thought was like the best model or like photographer or whatever.
Just comment down below your favorite picture too.
If you
Like the video.
Subscribe.
And like. Also, if you want to follow me on Insta so you can see some of them, like,
yeah, I like when I make an appearance on Sydney's Instagram.
yeah.
I know. I see you. Bye.